We are here today to provide toys, coats, bikes, and things of that nature to kids who otherwise wouldn't receive anything this Christmas. It's important to have toys for the kids because we want to make sure they have some on Christmas morning. We think no kids should wake up Christmas morning without a gift. We also have numerous activities going on today here at the station. When the kids arrive, they're going to be greeted by Santa and his elves. They're also going to have the Caring Angels therapy dogs. We have about 10 or 15 of them. We also have an organization here that's going to be giving away hundreds of new books to these kids as well. This is a great event here today, and one of the reasons we enjoy doing this is because we're bringing all these volunteers together to do good things for the community. We feel good by doing these events, and also the kids, they benefit because we're making sure they have the toys and the bikes and the things of that nature. We just want kids to have a wonderful Christmas.